his lights off. I thought he was blocking us in. Oh man, well, what is going on today, guys? Luke, Luke, what you...
How you doing, boys?
What's up, Luke? Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands?
No.
Luke, what are we doing? Why did I call you? Why did I call you over here?
We're doing the wheels for the BMW?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you ever seen this car? One time.
One time it was when the motor was knocking and it sounded like, and it was smoking a little bit, I think.
Yeah.
And we tried to do like donuts in the backyard, but it was like the most pathetic thing ever.
Yeah. Since then, we've got this motor totally rebuilt. Well, it actually has a new motor. It's on H&R lowering springs. It is on nice Bilstein shocks now. And today is the day we finally put wheels on it. Luke went ahead and set it. You know, it's just in time for winter to have a car with no roof. I gotta find a soft top. So we're gonna be taking this thing out today, and we can't just let the dry rotted tires get away with having the rest of their life. So we might have to maybe do a burnout or two. We'll try to do a burnout. These M20s don't have much power, but that's what we're gonna try to do. We gotta find a spot too. I haven't even thought about that. We'll just mount up the 32s on it, dude.
Dude, do the burnout in your driveway.
Oh, dude.
HOA approved.
HOA would love it. All right, so let's get this thing out. You haven't even like ever been in, like, dude, it's come so far since you've ever seen it. Let's look at these wheels. Let's look at these wheels. Dude, this thing is nice. Some neighborhood kid DM'd me and was like, why is there a guy with horns in your driveway? I was like, who's in my driveway? And then I remember Luca was like already at my house. Oh my
Look at me.
God.
Oh my God, that.
Oh my God, no way that just happened. Dude, what'd you think? Pretty spicy, right?
I thought that was your fourth one. I was like, why do you have one that doesn't?
Until I can get some like nice three-piece like BBS's, this is what we're gonna roll.
No, these are.
I can't believe that just happened. I wonder if I got that. My heart's racing.
I caught it. I caught
Dude, you caught that. Oh, dude, there'll be money. Oh, I don't know. It's gonna be close, dude. But dang, it should look really good. Dude, it should look pretty good if it fits.
If it fits.
Yeah, so we're gonna go burn these tires off before we even test mount, bud.
Oh yeah.
Should we?
No. Let's get.
Well, let's try one side. Well, we gotta see if if they both fit on the rear and front.
Rear.
Oh, we need to go. I need to give you a ride in the M3, bud. I might have to message Vince just to give you a ride around the neighborhood. All right, so I want you to record your reaction. Let me go get
the only thing of Vince's car I see is his Instagram and Snapchat stories, which is him like doing donuts and stuff. To get close.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think we're...
I'm blowing my ears out. I was like, damn, that's quiet.
You ready? Dude, that's loud, isn't it? That's real loud.
Yeah, I was like, oh, it's kind of quiet. And then it went, like, oh shit. Look at that thing. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh,
look at it.
You wanna hear something?
Oh, you got speakers in it?
I'd say just a little bit.
Oh! You have a sub back there? That actually sounds good.
I was supposed to surprise Kyle with that a while back, but I forgot to keep my mouth shut about it and didn't tell him. But let's see if these rears fit first. We'll see if the left side fits, and then we'll try the right side. But we gotta burn the old tires off. Is this jack low enough? Oh my. All right, good right there. Let's see if we can at least get the rears to fit, and then we'll try the front. You ready?
No.
Dude, why is this not coming off? We might need a breaker bar, bud. Bro, we need a freaking breaker bar is what we need. Hold on. This is not an instructional video. Do not take anything we do on this channel seriously. Oh, we're solid. We're solid, Lukey. Dude, whoever put these on torqued them down. But then again, these probably haven't been off the car and
I was about to say, have you not taken these off?
I have never taken these off. All right. One down. Yeah, we gotta burn these off later. All right. Ooh. Biggest thing about these. So I had these on my Porsche. The biggest thing about these lug bolts instead of your lug nuts is that you never want to cross thread them, dude. Then you can't run them. Like then you have to get a whole new hub. But dude, these might look good. I just hope they fit.
I think.
Do you think it's gonna fit?
No, I think it's gonna be like a hair too tight.
I don't think they're too much wider, so they clear right there. Do they clear the? Well, they fit on the other dudes, but his isn't lowered, so we're about to see.
I think
tight it is gonna be. I don't know if that's coming back off. That looks good. Oh, we need some spacers.
Yeah.
We definitely need spacers.
It's looking a little
wonky.
It's low in there.
So do we have clearance? But it looks better than the stock. We're still gonna run it. Dude, look at the oil pan. Look how low the oil pan is. It looks like this one's already been repaired too. You see that?
Oh my.
That's the oil, that's the lowest point of the car. All right, next one down. Now the front is gonna be what's more like sketchy, not fitting. There's just more components up here that could not work. So we got drilled and slotted rotors for some reason on my show car. But Luke, we should put these on your car, dude. I should get adapters. That's 4x137.
What?
Put them on the X3, dude. That'd be so funny. Dude, could you imagine? Look at this. Absolutely roasting them.
These are some tiny wheels too. And they kind of look like the ones you have on now.
They kind of do, like the same style, right?
Yeah. You'd have tiny wheels on. Tiny wheels? That's a Brandon Price video, right?
All right. Hopefully it works on the front. Whoa. Oh, they're not. Dang.
They don't fit. Put it in the hole.
Absolutely. Dude, I need spacers. No.
Why they don't fit?
No, they rubbed the freaking thing.
Oh.
Oh, I knew this would happen.
What do they rub?
They rub the coil. It looks so good though. We can get spacers though. Ah, this video's soiled it. Dang, we have to get spacers. That sucks so much. I mean,
you'd have no tire.
We're still making this a video. We're still gonna do a burnout. God, dude, it's gonna look so good though. I should go ahead and get spacers for the rear, shouldn't I? All right. Well, I guess we'll swap the tires back and go do a burnout. I guess. I guess. I mean, for the clip though. Only for the clip. I can't believe they don't work. What?
People ask what trim model it is. It's the shit box edition.
Where'd you get that? Amazon?
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, dude. Let's hear. What do you got? V8s, no mufflers, one cat, 3 dogs. You got 3 dogs in there?
One muffler is gone. One cat out of the 4 are gone. This is the sound.
Ooh. Dude, it honestly doesn't sound like all that bad. It sounds like an F-150 like leaving Cookout parking lot about 2 a.m. Dude, that's exactly what that sounds like. But yeah, guys, the wheels won't work. The rear works, but the front doesn't clear. So I think about a 1-inch spacer would be perfect. The back definitely needs it. It's a little tuckered in, but I think after that it looks sick. So we're actually gonna put the stock rear tire back on and just go roast it. Might as well. I wanted to do a burnout today. We need to do a burnout today. Why the heck not? So Luke, what do you think? Are you down? Are you down to find a spot for this?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do that. Sweet. All right, so hop in the old dirty 30. Jeez, keep it down, bud. And let's go see if we can't find something fun to do. Sounds mint. Luke, you ready, bud?
Shameless plug.
C-Boys, huge C-Boys guys, shameless plug. MC Production Garage, shameless plug. Is that Haley Deegan hat? Yep. Using a lot of gas, dude. Need more gas, bud? Oh, we're getting more. Alright, we're solid. We got way more gas.
Oh, dude. Nice RPMs, man.
Dude, RPM's going wild right now. Dude, we're running hella cold.
At least the speedometer works.
No, it doesn't. That's way off.
Oh, it says we're going 60. We're going 40,
43. All right, guys, we just made it to Mexico, and we got to do a burnout. I said we would do a burnout in this video with 2 new fronts on, you know, the stock rears on, burn them off, put the new rears on. Car would be looking great at the end of the video, but you know it doesn't go ever go to plan. So let's just burn rear tires off for no reason. Ready?
Yep. If I knew it was doing both wheels, I would have filmed both of them. It did, dude, it did both.
Dude, that was Perfect. I literally couldn't have asked for a better burnout. You want to do one more?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Oh, dude, that looks sick.
Let me take a picture. That's so dope.
This is like a perfect just...
Let's go! Dude,
Oh my god.
The freaking rev limiter. Woo, dude, it sounded sick. Oh, this is gonna be. I should not have learned how to do that in this car. Well, Luke. It's Mr. World, Mr. World, way! Well, Luke, we couldn't do this, but we did a semi-decent burnout in it, but we'll go do some real riding here in a second. We'll take out the M3. Get your reaction minute. Where do these dogs come from? You guys lost? All right, Luke, I'm about to take you on a ride in the loudest car, BMW E92 M3. My roommate Vince's car. He absolutely loves it. Yeah, so this car, it sounds really good. Obviously, it's got I think 500 to the crank right now. Super fun, rowdy car. Should we go back to the road? We'll go back here.
Dude, turn off AC. We need maximum power. Put the heat on.
Put the heat on.
Oh.
Taking this car to the Toge Fest this weekend. This thing corners better than any car that I've driven. Well, I drove the Jetta. He's had a Jetta, dude, that we used to sling around the corners of the mountains and stuff. It was so much fun. All right.
Damn.
Oh yeah, she screams.
Oh my god. Whoa. Dude, that's insane.
God! Do a little pull here.
No way, dude.
It's
Oh
crazy,
my
right?
God.
It's so crazy. I love this car so much.
Right there,
Dude, I wish we were recording right there because he literally just backed up into the road and turned his lights off. I thought he was blocking us in.
Oh my god.
I'm so glad we didn't have the valve open.
Dude.
So glad we had the valves closed, bro. If we would have rode up, mama.
We had this in quiet mode and we pull up and this cop's backing out of this dude's driveway. We're hitting corners going like the cop just backed out. Look at him, he's down there.
Did you get him whenever he was pulling back?
Yeah, but I started filming right as he turned his lights off.
Let me turn this light on. Oh, perfect. Here we go. Luke. I thought you were peeing.
Yeah, I did pee.
Why are you... I thought you were waiting on... I was waiting on you. And I was going to start. Alright. Let me, like, when you hear me get to the bottom of the stairs, that's when you do it.
Put this at the end of the video.
Yeah,
Put this at the end.
I promise we're genuine. Alright.